Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. In the last lecture I have explained you chapter 5 separating substances. Today we will do exercise of chapter 5 separating substances. Exercise is choose the correct answers from the given options. Number 1, most of the substances we see around us are options: elements, compounds, mixtures, atoms. Correct option is mixtures. Number 2, the process of settling down of insoluble solid in a liquid is called dash. Options are decantation, sedimentation, filtration, loading. The correct option is loading. Number 3, a solution of sugar and water is a dash. Heterogeneous mixture, homogeneous mixture, pure compound, or none of these. The correct option is heterogeneous mixture. Number 4, the method of separating cream from milk is called options: distillation, sublimation, centrifugation, loading. The correct option is centrifugation. Number 5, in winnowing, the components of the mixture are separated due to a difference in their weight. Number 6, two mixable liquids are separated by dash. Options are distillation, separating funnel, evaporation, or none of these. The correct option is distillation. And exercise, we answer these questions in a sentence. Name the method by which wheat grain is taken out from the harvested crop. Answer: threshing is the process of separating grains from the stalks after the harvested crop. Number 2, name the operators used to separate immiscible liquids. Answer: the operators used to separate immiscible liquids is called separating funnel. Question number 3, what are alums used for? Answer: alums is used to clean the water. Question number 4, name the operators which is used to condense the vapor during distillation. Answer: the operators is used to condense vapor during distillation is called distillation flask. Number 5, what is hand picking? When it is usually done? Answer: removing undesirable substances from a mixture by picking them up and separating them from the rest is called hand picking. This method is usually done or used when the substances to be separated is much bigger than the rest or differs on the basis of its shape, size, and color. Question number 6, draw a label diagram of filtration. Figure 5.7, page number 45, and do all the definitions given on page number 47. Thank you. Take care of self. Allah Hafiz.